What's up, family? How you feeling? How you doing? Welcome back to my channel. And today, it's hot as a motherfucker up in fucking Memphis. So we just put the AC in the window. That way, my damn bill, my light bill don't go up high as hell. If y'all don't got one of these, y'all need to invest in one because they the truth. Anyway, y'all see I'm in the middle of doing my hair. Ooh, it's starting to feel good. Hold on, let me throw some light on real quick. What's that, boo? That's your waterfall? Let me see. Now see, I'm in the middle of doing my hair. That shit gonna turn out nice.
No.
Yeah, you can't open it. Marble LED fountain.
Yeah.
Oh, it come with the rocks and stuff. That's lit. Let me see. Let me hold this. Rocks and the battery power. You got some batteries? You should have got some batteries earlier. There might be some around here though. Or you could use my other batteries. They charged.
AAA. Double A.
Double A. Mm-hmm. They should be in the thing right here. These them rechargeable joints.
So how the water go in here though?
I don't know.
You took the box.
Cause ain't no instruction. Oh.
Everything called instructions, black people. This is cute. And I can see it right here in the middle of my table somewhere.
Man, dude, look at this shit.
Where you gonna put it at? We gonna put it right here? Where the plant at? Yup.
Fill the water reservoir.
At the bottom.
Don't overfill it. Never operate fountain without water. Refill reservoir when necessary. To drain, remove rock and then slowly turn the fountain upside down.
So just put it in there?
Yeah, you need to put the water in there. What's the reservoir? The back or the bottom? Yeah, I think it's the bottom.
Right here?
How you know what you got left? Oh shit! Yeah, that's lit. That's cute. You think you got enough water in there though? I don't think so. That might be short. That's so cute. Yeah. You gonna leave the rock things on there? Cause that look good with that. We got those. Oh yeah, doing something new in this thing. That's so nice. That's cute, girl. Let me move that one over a little bit more. Yeah. That whole leg. Y'all should go get y'all one. This was about $5. That's cute.
There you go.
You think it still got enough water in it though?
You want to put some on there? Sure, we got enough water in there. Possibly a lot. It's a little fancy.
I don't know. I just thought all the rocks were supposed to get wet or something. Maybe not. I don't know.
Oh, it's coming out the £4.
Yeah. Yeah, we finna change our living room around. I don't really like. She don't really like it this way. I kind of don't like it this way. But we finna do some work and shit. I'm finna finish my hair. Ooh. What, in the air? You finna go lay in the air? Y'all, we been in our house. Turn the light on.
I was looking at my thing.
Oh. You put the rocks over the light. Turn it back on real quick then. I didn't know you was trying to. I didn't know you was trying to see the thing, girl. Dang. Oh yeah, that's lit right there. The little shelf coming together. Yeah. You had the rocks really covering that shit though. Is it just one light? Yeah. We got that. We got the humidifier. That help pushing out.
About to watch my movie in
It's a cool breeze humidifier, so the air coming out of there is cold. Feels good. Commercial for the face. For the breathing. I'm finna finish my hair and then we gon' start changing some stuff. So I'll be back in a little bit. Yeah.